Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your QuickBooks Online, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add a customer into your QuickBooks Online? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, I want to let you know this is to manually add one customer at a time into your QuickBooks Online. If you want to import or upload your list, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But why would you want to add a customer into your QuickBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know it's important to add all your customers into QuickBooks so you can easily invoice them in the future. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my QuickBooks, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and manually add a customer, what you're going to do is click on Menu. There's a little arrow next to it. Once you click there, you'll see this drop-down menu, and you want to hover over Customers and Lead, and then click on Customers. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of your customers that you have inside QuickBooks. You can see I just have these 3. Now, in order to manually add a new customer into your QuickBooks Online, click on New Customer. It's this green button here on the top right. Okay, so here we can go ahead and start inputting the data. So we're going to go ahead and put their name right here. So name, new customer. Okay, and then you can go ahead and add in all this additional information if you have it available. It's not required, but it's definitely helpful, especially if you're going to be working with this customer in the future for various projects. Once you've entered in all of the data that you want to add, like their name, their address, any kind of notes, their payment information, all of this, then you want to click on Save down here on the bottom right. Okay, a quick second later, it jumps into their account. So it's going to show any kind of transaction list, statements, or customer details about them. And then what you can do is click on this blue customers button. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you back to your customer list. So you can see here is our new customer that we added into our QuickBooks Online. Now, if you need to make changes, you can easily just click into the customer, and it's going to open up their information, and then you can click on Edit. Okay, and then you can go ahead and start adding in more information if you discover that information at a later date. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add a customer into your QuickBooks Online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.